Mark the statement as true or false. Choose the correct options. Bird have hollow bones which help them to fly. Kiwi is the flight bird. Eagle is the harvest bird. And duck have pointed beaks. Correct answer is option D. TFFT. चलिए इसको समझते हैं कि TFFT मतलब क्या हुआ यहाँ पर. ट्रू, ट्रू एंड फॉल्स, फॉल्स. Bird have hollow bones which help them to fly. This is true. Hollow bones make bird lighter, which is an adaptation for flight. Second, kiwi is a flightless bird. This is true. Kiwi is a flightless bird. This is true. The kiwi is a well-known example of a flightless bird. Third, eagle is a herbivorous bird. This is false. An eagle is a carnivorous bird to prey. Fourth, duck have pointed beak. Duck have pointed beak. This is false. Duck have broad, flat and beak. So, correct answer is option D. Next question समझते हैं. Larva of housefly is known as caterpillar, maggot, pupa, all of these. Correct answer is option B. Larva of housefly is known as maggot. The larva stage of housefly is commonly referred to as a maggot. Question number 3. Which of the following are characteristics of birds? They have feather on their body. Their body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. They have thin, light and hollow bones. And fourth, their forelimbs get modified into fur. Correct answer is option C, 1 and 3. Explanation. They have feather on their body. This is the defining characteristic of birds. And third, they have thin, light and hollow bones. They have thin, light and hollow bones. This is an adaptation that helps in flight. Second, their bodies are not divided into head, thorax and abdomen in the same way as insect. And fourth, their forelimbs are modified into wings, not a fur. Next question, number 4. Duck is an animal and its usage is to probe insect in the sand and mud. A. Terrestrial and big, aquatic and wings. C. Aquatic and big and terrestrial and bigs. Correct answer is aquatic and big. चलिए इसको समझते हैं. Duck are aquatic animal and they use their broad, flat beak to filter food and probe the insect is mud. So correct answer is option C. Number 5. Insect birth with a network to tiny tubes called lungs, gill, moisture skin and pterygia. Correct answer is option D, pterygia. Explanation. Insects have a respiratory system that consists of a network of tubes called pterygia, which transport oxygen directly to the body tissue. Next question number 6. Which type of a beak is found in duck? Option A, short and broad beak. B, broad and flat beak. C, a slender beak. And D, pointed beak. So, correct answer is option B, broad and flat beak. Duck have broad and flat beak that are well situated for filtering food from water or mud. This type of beak allows them to scoop up water and move and then strain out small plants, insects and other organisms. Number 7. Vulture are omnivorous, scaveners, herbivorous, carnivorous. Correct answer is option B, scavengers. Vulture are scavengers, meaning the primarily feed on the carcasses of dead animals. This role is important in ecosystems as it helps to clean up decaying matter. Number 8. Hi guys, I am Neetu Nigam and welcome to my channel My Pathshala by Neetu Nigam. आज आपके लिए मैं वर्ड्स एंड इंसेक्ट से वर्ड एंड कॉमन इंसेक्ट्स लेवल 1 साइंस ओलंपियाड से एमसीक्यू लेकर आई हूँ। इससे पहले भी आपको चैनल पर हमारे डिफरेंट मैथ्स इंग्लिश के प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस आपको ओलंपियाड के अकॉर्डिंग मिल जाएंगे, आप उसे अवश्य देखें। साथ ही मैं इसकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी। आगे बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, आइडेंटिफाई द फ्लाइटलेस बर्ड। स्पैरो एंड पिजन, स्पैरो एंड पैरोट, आउल एंड वुडकीपर, ऑस्ट्रिच एंड कीवी। करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, ऑस्ट्रिच एंड कीवी। Ostrich and kiwi are both flightless birds. Ostriches are the world's largest bird, and while they have wings, they are not used to flight. Kiwis are a small nocturnal bird native of New Zealand that also cannot fly. Question number 9. Unscramble the word to find out of the smallest word in the word. आंसर हो जाता है यहाँ पे, ऑप्शन देखेंगे पहले। करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, हमिंग। स्क्रैम्बल वर्ड MMUZNHIG का स्क्रैम्बल वर्ड हो जाता हमिंग। द स्मॉलेस्ट वर्ड इन द वर्ल्ड इज द बी, हमिंग बर्ड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, विच फॉलोइंग स्क्रैम्बल टू डेथ आफ्टर मेटिंग? वर्कर बीज, ड्रोन, क्वीन, नन ऑफ दी। करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, worker bee. Worker bee, worked bee do not die after mating as they do not mate, only the queen bee mates. However, a drone male bee dies after mating with a queen. A worker bee dies after stinging but not after mating. The question is slightly flawed, but among the options is the most relevant concept is the death of male bee drone after mating. अचीवर सेक्शन से किस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन है, चलिए इसको देखते हैं। व्हाट वुड हैपन इफ ऑल द टोज इन वुडपीकर वर पॉइंटेड इन द सेम डायरेक्शन? ऑप्शंस देखते हैं। चलिए इसके ऑप्शन हैं का थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, चलिए थोड़ा सा आप लोग वेट करें प्लीज। चलिए इसके ऑप्शंस हैं। इट विल नॉट बी एबल टू क्लिम अप द ट्री एंड होल्ड ऑन इट्स ट्रंक। बी, इट विल नॉट बी एबल टू मेक इट्स नेस्ट ऑन द ग्राउंड दिस स्टोन एंड पेबल्स। सी, इट विल नॉट बी एबल टू यूज इट्स फेल हिट लाइक ऑर्स इन वाटर। एंड डी, it will not be able to use its toe to scratch the ground to dig out worms. Correct answer है option A, it will not be able to climb up the tree and hold on its trunk. Woodkeeper have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 pointing backward. This arrangement provided them this is the strong grip along them to climb and hold on to the vertical trunk of trees while they searched for food. If all the toe pointed in the same direction, they would lose an specialized grip. Question number 12. Woodpecker has 2 toes front and 2 at the back. This shape, option B, help the bird to climb up and hold on the tree, and known as the help and bird climb up and hold on the tree. This is arrangement of toes known as zeptodactyly is the key adaptation for woodkeeper. It provides them this is the ability to securely grip and climb up the trunk of tree, which is essential for their feeding habit. Next question number 13. Removing the first two letter my name, give you arrow, my beak is short and hard, I perch on the tree branch of their tree branch that is narrow. Who am I? So correct answer है option A, sparrow. Explanation: the riddle describe the word which name when the first two letter of the remove become arrow. The word also has a short, hard beak and perches on narrow tree branches. The word sparrow. Minus first two letter sp leaves arrow. A sparrow have short conical beak for eating seed. They are perching birds after often sit on the branches. Question number 14. Which of the following is an incorrect statement? The nest is flamingo known as earring. Ostrich has two toes on the each of its toe. Cock crow birds lay their eggs in other nests. And D. Oil glands are found at the lower base on their bird teeth. ये मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी, ये क्वेश्चंस जो है मैंने ऑस्वाल्ड ओलंपियाड बुक से क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पर लिए हैं आपके साथ। तो चलिए इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, इसको समझते हैं। इन एरी इज द नेस्ट ऑफ द बर्ड ऑफ प्रे सच एज एन ईगल और हॉक typically built on the cliff or other high places. Flamingos build their nest from wood in the mound shape. Ostrich feet have two toes, which is the correct statement. And cuckoo birds are known as to be brood parasites laying their eggs in the nest of their birds, which is correct statement. The apogreal gland or oil gland to found of the base of bird tail and produces oil for preening, which is the correct statement. Question number 15. Which part of does an insect use for smelling? Mandibles, throats, antenna, या none of this? Correct answer is option C. Explanation: insect use their antenna, also known as feeling, to sense their surroundings. They contain sensory receptors that helps them with touch, taste and smell. तो आज के लिए इतना ही। आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो। नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के लिए हमारे वीडियो को ज़रूर देखें। थैंक यू। बैठवा रहे हैं।